Brevin, look at the camera. I'm taking a video. What do you want to say to the world?
Cheese.
Cheese? What are you eating? What is it, Brevin?
My thumb.
You're eating your thumb? Here, Eli, I'll take a video of you too. Brevin, do you like to eat your boogers?
No.
Yeah, you do. Tell the truth. Do you think that they're really delicious? What do you like about them?
Because I like them.
Do you like how they taste really salty?
What's
But no, hold on, I'm not done yet. Do you like how they taste really salty? Huh? Yeah? Do you like how they feel really slimy?
No.